Christian Joseph Giliasin, and the title of my concept paper is The Similarities and the Difference of Airplane Wings and Paper Airplane, an Application of Aerodynamics. Muna sa lahat, ano nga ba ang aerodynamics?
Aerodynamic is the study of how air moves around object. Ito ang pag-aaral kung paano dumadaloy ang hangin sa paligid ng mga bagay. It explains how airplane and paper airplanes can move through the air and stay in flight. Nakakatulong ito upang maging mas mabilis, mas balanse, mas ligtas at mas efficient ang mga sasakyang panghimpapawid. Presentation of the physical model. Airplane wing. In this airplane wing, I use recycled materials. Since wala naman akong kagrupo, I decided to use recycled materials para makatipid. And the next one is the paper airplane. I just use one piece of bond paper. Application of aerodynamics in an airplane wing. Airplane wing have a curved shape na nakakatulong sa airflow smoothly around them. Sa ilalim ng airplane wing, mataas ang pressure or high pressure dahil mabagal ang daloy ng hangin. While naman sa taas ng pakpak na eroplano is low pressure kasi mabilis ang takbo ng hangin. When you throw a paper airplane, ang paraan ng pagtupi or how you fold it affect how air moves around the paper and help it in flight. Kapag tama and perfect yung pagkakatupi mo, syempre mas tatagal siya sa ere and magiging balanse siya and it will be stable. Dito makokontrol mo kung gaano kalakas or kung saan mo siya gustong papuntahin.